Hello students, hope all of you are well. Pandemic is going on, so we have to continue our syllabus from on. Stay at your home, stay safe. Class 7 students, today I have come here to teach you maths. Let's work out 12.3 is in your syllabus of second terminal examination. Today algebra 12.3 I'll start and I'll show you how to do the sums of 12.3. In this chapter, we have to do the sums in the formula a square minus b square, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. In this formula, we will do the sums of the exercise 12.3. Now I am starting sum number 1 part 2. .06 whole square minus 0.94 whole square. Using formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b, find the values of this. So, if we take this as a and this as b, then a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So, this equal to, we can write 2.06 plus 0.94 into 2.06 minus 0.94 by formula is equal to, now 6 4 10 carry 1, 9 1 10 carry 1, decimal 2 1 3 into 4 2 6 9 1 10 1 1 1 2. This equal to 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 3.36. So write down the answer. The required value is 3.36. Clear? Now I'll show sum number 1 part 4. 1.15 into 0.85. In this sum also we have to find the value using a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b formula. So 1.15 and 0.85. We can write 1.15 as 1 plus 0.15 and 0.85 we can write as 1 minus 0.15. See carefully. 1.15 is equal to 1 plus 0.15. 0.85 is equal to 1 minus 0.15. Clear? So we can take this as formula a plus b into a minus b. So this equal to a square minus b square. where a is 1, b is 0.15. So a square minus 0.15 whole square, 1 square minus 0.15 whole square by formula. Okay. That is 1 square means 1 minus 0.15 whole square. 15 into 15, 225 we know. Now 0.15 into 0.15, then decimal will be here 0.0225. Okay. Now this equal to 1.0000 minus 0.0225. 5, 5, 10, 2, 1, 3, 7, 10, 2, 1, 3, 7, 10, 1, 9, 1, 10, 0. So 0.9775. So write down the answer. The required value is 0.9775. Clear? Now I'll show sum number 2 part 2. If 25 minus 4x square, 25 minus 4x square is equal to, if this equal to 5 plus ax into 5 minus ax, then let's find the positive value of a. This equal to this, if, then find the positive value of ax. Find the positive value of a. So, or 5 plus ax, 5 minus ax, that is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write this equal to, or 25 minus 4x square is equal to a square minus b square, that is 5 square minus ax whole square. Okay, by formula. Now, or 25 minus 4x square is equal to 5 square is 25 minus ax whole square is equal to a square x square or both side 25 cancel. Minus 4x square is equal to minus a square x square. From both side x square cancel, minus cancel, or 4 is equal to a square, or a square is equal to 4, therefore a is equal to root over 4, that is 2. Generally we find, when we find the square root, we write plus minus 2, but here the question is find the positive value of a, so we will not take the minus value, so the positive value of a is 2. Write down the answer. The positive value of a is 2. Clear? Now we will show sum number 3 part 2. Sum number 3 part 2. The question is, express the following in the product form using formula. In the product form, that means for 49, the sum is 49 x to the power 4 minus 36 y to the power 4. 49 means 7 square and x to the power 4 means x square whole square, minus 36 means 6 square and y4 means y square whole square. So this equal to, we can write 7 x square whole square minus this equal to, we can write 6 y square whole square. Now a square minus b square form. So in the product form, what we can write? A plus b into a minus b. So 7 x square plus 6 y square into 7 x square minus 6 y square by formula. This is the answer. Next, 3 part 6. M plus p plus q whole square minus m minus p minus q whole square. A square minus b square, and we have to express this as in formula a plus b into a minus b. So if we take this as a, this as b, then a, that means m plus q plus b means m minus p minus q, second bracket close, into a plus b into a minus b. Again a means m plus p plus q minus b, a minus b, b means m minus p minus q by formula. Now this equal to, now remove the bracket, first bracket. So first m plus p plus q we have written, then plus into plus m, plus into minus p, plus into minus q, second bracket close. Next, m plus p plus q minus into m, minus into minus p plus p, minus into minus q plus q. Now see, minus p plus p cancel, minus q plus q cancel. So this is 2m plus m, 2m into m minus m cancel, p plus p 2p, q plus q 2q. So 2p plus 2q, 2p plus 2q. This equal to 2m. Now if we take common 2 from these two, then it will be p plus q. So this equal to 2 2s are 4m into p plus q. So this is the required value. This is answer. This is the required value in the product form. Next, 4 part 3. 4 part 3. using formula, let's find the continued product of the following. Continued product, one after another we have to find the product. A square plus b square into a square minus b square into a4 plus b4 into a8 plus b8. Okay, now continued product. First we will do these two. We will do these two, a square plus b square into a square minus b square, as a plus b into a minus b. So a square whole square minus b square whole square will be the answer. In between these two, a square whole square minus b square whole square in second bracket. Then for a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 into a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 by formula. Then this equal to a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4. Then the remaining portion, a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 into a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 by done. Then here also a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 into a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4. So using formula, this equal to, we can write a to the power 4 whole square minus b to the power 4 whole square within second bracket. Then the remaining portion, a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8 by formula. This equal to, we can write a to the power 8 minus b to the power 8. Then the last part, a to the power 8 plus b to the power 8. Now again a minus b, a plus b form. So this equal to, we can write a to the power 8 whole square minus b to the power 8 whole square by formula. This equal to, a to the power 8 whole square means a to the power 16 minus b to the power 16. So the required value is a to the power 16 minus b to the power 16. Clear? Next, I'll show sum number 5 part 3. Part 3, express the following in the product form. 81 minus x to the power 4. 81 means 9 square minus x to the power 4 means x square whole square. Now a square minus b square form. So we can write this as 9 plus x square into 9 minus x square by formula. Is equal to 9 plus x square into 9 minus x square, we can write as 3 square minus x square. Okay. Now because 3 square is equal to 9, we know. Now again a square minus b square form. So a square minus b square form, again we can write a plus b into a minus b. So this equal to 9 plus x square into 3 plus x into 3 minus x by formula. So this will be the answer. In the product form, this is the answer. Now I am showing sum number 6. let's prove p plus q whole to the power 4. Prove this. P plus q whole to the power 4 minus p minus q whole to the power 4 is equal to 8pq into p square plus q square. We will start this sum from left hand side. Then we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side, what is given? P plus q whole to the power 4 minus p minus q whole to the power 4. This equal to, we can write p plus q whole square to the power 2 minus p minus q whole square to the power 2. Now this square minus this square. Okay. Now p plus q whole square to the power 2, 2 2s are 4, p minus q whole square to the power 2, 2 2s are 4. Okay. Now if we take this as a, this as b, a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. So p plus q whole square plus p minus q whole square, that is a plus b, into a minus b, that is p plus q whole square minus p minus q whole square. Clear? By formula. Then here p plus q whole square plus p minus q whole square. We know a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is equal to 2 into a square plus b square. We know the formula. Here we can write 2 into p square plus q square. This portion is equal to, again we know a plus b whole square minus a minus b whole square is equal to 4ab, the formula. So here we can write into 4pq by formula. Now 4 2s are 8, pq into p square plus q square. Now we have to prove this equal to 8pq into p square plus q square. So we have got this. So write down this equal to right hand side. So in answer you will write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Proved. Clear? Now I am showing sum number 7. See carefully. This is a big sum. Very carefully you see this. A plus b minus c, using formula multiply this. A plus b minus, a plus b plus c into b plus c minus a, b plus c minus a into c plus a minus b into a plus b minus c. 4 terms are here multiplied. Now using formula we have to do. See, from first to a plus b plus c, b plus c minus a. So we can arrange this as b plus c plus a into b plus c minus a. In this way we can arrange. Now the next two, c plus a minus b, a plus b minus c. Both the cases a, the sign of a are same, and here b negative, c positive, here b positive, c negative. So in this way we can arrange a plus c minus b into a minus c minus b. See carefully, a plus c minus b. So a plus c minus b matched. A minus c minus b, that is a minus c minus minus plus b. A minus c plus b matched. Now here b plus c plus a, b plus c minus a. So a plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square, means b plus c whole square minus a square. A square from these two. And here a plus b, a minus b. So a square minus c minus b whole square, all by formula. See carefully this line. Now b plus c whole square minus a square. So b plus c whole square, we can use the whole square formula. Next page, b plus c whole square minus a square. B plus c whole square means b square plus 2bc plus c square, and minus a square is there. And the second part was a square minus within bracket c minus b whole square. Second bracket a square within bracket minus within bracket c minus b whole square, that is c square minus 2bc plus b square, c minus b whole square, second bracket close, by formula. A square minus c minus b whole square, here b plus c whole square minus a square. Now this equal to we can arrange this as 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square. Next one, a square minus plus minus c square minus minus plus 2bc minus plus minus b square. The first bracket is removed. Now this equal to arrange 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square into 2bc here 2bc plus b square plus c square minus a square plus, and here we can arrange this 2bc minus within bracket b square plus c square minus a square. Now see, minus b square matched, minus plus minus c square matched, minus minus plus a square matched. Okay, so here 2bc plus this, 2bc minus this. So again a plus b, a minus b form. So we can write 2bc whole square minus, that is a square minus b square. B means b square plus c square minus a square whole square, by formula. Now 2bc whole square means what? 4b square c square minus within second bracket b square plus c square minus a square whole square. That is, we can apply the formula a plus b plus c whole square. A plus b plus c whole square means what? A square, that is b square whole square, plus b square, that is c square whole square, plus c square, that is minus a square whole square, plus 2ab, that is plus 2 into b square into c square, plus 2bc, 2 into c square into minus a square, plus 2ca, that is 2 into minus a square into b square, second bracket close, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab, that is 2 into this 2bc, 2 into this into this, plus 2ca, 2 into this. Now remove the bracket. 4b square c square minus, within second bracket, b square whole square, that is b to the power 4, c square whole square plus c to the power 4, minus a square whole square, that is plus a to the power 4, plus 2b square c square, plus 2b square c square, plus minus minus 2c square a square, minus 2c square a square, plus minus minus 2a square b square, minus 2a square b square, second bracket close. Now multiply all the terms by minus sign and remove the second bracket. 4b square c square minus b4 minus c4 minus a4, minus plus minus 2b square c square minus minus plus 2c square a square minus minus plus 2a square b square. Clear? Now 4b square c square minus 2b square c square, that is 2b square c square. So 2b square c square. Then 2c square a square plus 2 square b square plus 2c square a square plus 2a square b square. Then minus a4 minus b4 minus c4 minus a4 minus b4 minus c4. This is the answer. The required value is this. The question was using formula multiply. So the product is this, the required value is this. Understood all of you? Next we will start sum number 8. If x is equal to a by b plus b by a and y is equal to a by b minus b by a, then show that x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 plus minus 2x square y square minus 2x square y square is equal to 16. Again we have to start this sum by left hand side, then prove right hand side is equal to right hand side. So start from left hand side, that is x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2x square y square, and before that we will find x plus y and x minus y. X and y value are given. So x plus y is equal to what? X is equal to a by b plus b by a by b plus b by a plus y is equal to a by b minus b by a plus a by b minus b by a. B by a minus b by a cancel, a by b plus a by b, that is 2a by b. Again we find x minus y. X minus y means first x value a by b plus b by a minus y. Minus y means minus within bracket a by b minus b by a. Now remove the bracket, a by b plus b by a minus a by b minus minus plus b by a. Minus a by b plus a by b cancel is equal to 2b by a. So x plus y is equal to 2a by b and x minus y is equal to 2b by a. Now we start from left hand side. Left hand side is equal to what? left hand side x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 2x square y square. X to the power 4 we can write as x square whole square. Y to the power 4 means y square whole square minus 2x square y square. This is just like a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we can write this as a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square means x square minus y square whole square by formula. And x square minus y square is equal to, we know, x plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y within second bracket whole square. This is also by formula. And x plus y we have found what? 2a by b. Okay? 2a by b into x minus y is equal to what? 2b by a into 2b by a whole square. Now b cancel, a cancel, is equal to 2 2s are 4 square. And here you can write putting the value. 4 square. 4 square means 16. And we have to show that this equal to 16. So 16 came. Then you can write is equal to right hand side. Therefore, left hand side is equal to right hand side within bracket shown. Clear? This is sum number 8. Now I show sum number 11. Sum number 11. What is given? Sum number 11, 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Express 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus a square plus 8a minus a square plus 8a minus 16 4x square plus 4x plus 1 minus a square plus 8a minus 16 as the difference of two square using formula a square minus b square. Then 4x square means 2x whole square plus 4x means 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 means plus 1 whole square we can write. Then minus this one we can take minus common. Within bracket we can write a square minus 8a plus 16 second bracket outside. Now see, minus plus minus a square minus minus plus 8a minus plus minus 16 matched. Now this portion is equal to what? 2x whole square a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, 2x plus 1 whole square minus, now a square minus 2 into a into 4, 2 4s are 8a matched plus 4 square 16 matched. Clear? And this was we have done by formula. So write by formula is equal to 2x plus 1 whole square minus a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square means a minus 4 whole square. This is also by formula. And the question was express this one as difference of 2 square. So this is as difference of 2 square. So this is the required answer. So this will be the required answer. So students, now you see I have shown all types of sums from 12.3. So I think the rest of the sums you can do your own using this method. Then today up to this. Thank you so much.